Hello, traders. Today is Friday, July 25th, and this is my analysis for the Aussie US dollar, and we're starting off on the daily time frame. So the daily time frame did break structure to the upside this week, and then it almost instantly rejected it. The Aussie dollar has been in a major channel for a very long time now, so I mean, this thing probably is going to go all the way back down at this point. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. Very impulsive move to the downside on the 1 hour, and it did break structure. So I have my Fibonacci retracement on the whole move up. Now this move down could end up turning into like a big ABC crescent, bouncing off a fib level and continuing the uptrend. But it could also just do something like this and just go all the way back down to the bottom of this channel on the daily. So now that we had a break of structure, I would be looking for shorts on the 1 hour time frame and below. Definitely wouldn't be trying to go short right now. I would only be going short on pullbacks, especially three-way pullbacks like this. So as of right now, we need to wait for a little bit of a pullback in order to get short, potentially for the continuation of maybe an ABC correction, or maybe even all the way back down to the daily time frame channel. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.